Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are having a beautiful day ahead. Now let's see what the cards are saying today. Hope. Today the day begins with hope, with positivity. I see a bright hope and I see that things will work. I usually don't go by what the book says, so I just feel this card just says have the hope, have the faith, and things will work in your favor. Again, where you need to speak, you need to speak up. Only then you will get success. Sometimes hope alone is not enough. You will have to tell what you desire. You have to put your voice out to the universe or to the people around you, and where you need to tell a stop, you need to tell a stop. Where you need to learn to say a no, then you need to learn to say a no. Because many of my clients I've seen, they say, how can I say no, Pinky ji? How can I do this? How can I voice out? Sometimes because we don't voice out, we end up in a lot of turmoil. Sometimes when we don't voice out, we end up in a lot of issues. Sometimes our own non-voicing out creates trouble. So today, don't do that. Voice out, and I'm sure things will fall in place the way you want. Let's see one more card. Yes, only when you talk out, you will move away, you will move on, you will be able to be successful, you will be able to take the next step. If you see here, the next step is towards a brighter future. I see light on the other side, I don't see darkness. So maybe the universe is also saying that it is time you openly talk what is upsetting you today. If you have decided I shall speak tomorrow, then no, today is the day, and you need to speak today itself, and you need to work on it today itself. Work on the color blue today so that your throat chakra opens up more, and chant Om Jai Ma Kali 108 times so that Ma Kali gives you the power and the energy. Start your day by having a small piece of jaggery so that you can understand that the taste of the jaggery is what you deserve as sweetness in your life. And also, when you're having a bath, put a little bit of rock salt in your bath water and have a bath. Let me know whether you were able to speak out and whether you were able to handle the situation beautifully. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Thank you.